How to start streaming on Twitch. If you're passionate about gaming, entertaining others, and building a community, Twitch is the perfect platform for you. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of getting started. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to create a Twitch account. Head over to twitch.tv and click on the Sign Up button. You can either create an account using your email address or connect your existing social media accounts like Facebook or Google. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click on Sign Up to create your Twitch account. After creating your account, it's time to set up your Twitch channel. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Creator Dashboard from the drop-down menu. Here, you can customize your channel's appearance, upload a profile picture, and add a banner to make it unique and visually appealing. Now, let's talk about the equipment you'll need to start streaming on Twitch. First and foremost, a reliable computer or gaming console is essential. You'll also need a good quality microphone to provide clear and crisp audio to your viewers. A webcam is optional but highly recommended as it helps to establish a more personal connection with your audience. Next, you'll need broadcasting software to stream your gameplay. Open Broadcaster Software, OBS, is a popular choice and it's free to use. It allows you to capture your screen, add overlays, and manage various audio sources. Download and install OBS from obsproject.com and take some time to familiarize yourself with its features. Before you start streaming, ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. Twitch recommends an upload speed of at least 3 to 6 megabits per second for a good streaming experience. You can check your internet speed using websites like speedtest.net. If your internet connection falls short, consider upgrading your plan or optimizing your network setup. Now that your equipment and software are all set up, let's discuss the importance of planning your content. Determine what type of content you want to stream, whether it's gaming, creative arts, or even just chatting with your viewers. Find your niche and focus on delivering high-quality and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Building a community is crucial on Twitch. Interact with your viewers through chat and make them feel valued. Respond to their questions and comments, and create a welcoming and inclusive environment. Networking with other streamers can also help you grow your community. Join Twitch communities, participate in collaborations, and support other streamers to foster meaningful connections. When it comes to streaming, consistency is key. Create a streaming schedule that works for you and stick to it. Regularly streaming at specific times will help your viewers know when to expect your content and increase your chances of gaining a dedicated audience. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a following, so be patient and persistent. As you gain more experience and grow your channel, consider monetizing your content. Twitch offers several ways to earn revenue, such as subscriptions, donations, and ad revenue sharing. However, it's important to focus on providing value to your audience first. Build a loyal community, and the financial rewards will naturally follow. Lastly, don't forget to promote your Twitch channel on other platforms. Leverage social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube to share highlights, updates, and behind-the-scenes content. Engage with your followers across different platforms and encourage them to check out your Twitch channel. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to start streaming on Twitch. Remember, starting a successful Twitch channel takes time, dedication, and passion. Keep refining your skills, engage with your audience, and most importantly, have fun while doing it. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.